today we are going to make a safe kids eyeliner. So we got only 3 ingredients to do: aloe vera, castor oil and some powder. So let's begin.
So this is charcoal powder, activated charcoal powder. If you don't have activated charcoal powder, you can burn almond piece and just use a tongue, hold the almond piece and then you burn it over the fire and then you crush it, it becomes black. Or you have amla powder, then you can also roast the amla powder, then it turns from green to black, so you can also use that as a substitute. Amla powder is of course a fantastic vitamin C, and almond powder is also very nourishing for your eyelashes. So we have chosen this castor oil because it promotes hair growth, so it includes eyelash growth as well. And then aloe vera, which is very nourishing and has a lot of soothing properties for your eyelash. So these are literally your eyelash serum or growth serum. It also doubles up as a eyeliner.
So we have a small container which is going to be here. So now we are going to have 1 spoon of aloe vera, 1 spoon of castor oil and 1 spoon of powder.
Is this correct? So that may demonstrate it's quite nice and smooth. It's quite thick as well. So that this combi is for more liquid pasty eyeliner. We did another combination which is 1 part aloe vera, 1 part castor oil to 2 parts charcoal.
One of this, 2 of this. Right.
Fantastic, Sujita. But that led to a...
But it's very nice and liquid. But if you want it to...
This is...
But if you want it to be thick, you have to add in 2 of this and 1 of this and 1 of this.
Yeah. This is the for Sujita's eyeliner, which we have applied here. It's 1 part this, 1 part this to 1 part this, because for kids you don't want it to be too runny. You want it to stick on the skin so that it doesn't get into their eyes. Even though castor oil and aloe vera is all good for the eyes as well. You can see she has applied mascara as well. Then that combination is 1 part this, 1 part this to 3 parts of this. This is the third one, the thickest.
1 of this, 1 of this, 3 of this.
Fantastic, Sujita. So one, I'll show you by hand. Can you see it's more crayony? So this is number 3. So the first one is very runny. Second one is a bit more pasty. The third one is very crayony, if there is such a word.
It looks like so different.
I think one is for people who like runny, liquidy eyeliners. The second one is more for thicker ones that you won't run into your eyes. And the third one, which is the pasty one, it's more for your mascaras and all that. If you can see, it's quite long. So the third one, which is the one I've applied for her mascara, you can also double up as your...
You also can
double up as your eyeshadow.
Now you can see this is the darker. If you don't have castor oil, you just can use almond oil or coconut oil or aloe vera oil instead. So
if you use aloe vera in place of castor oil, it will just replace the equal proportions that's used for the castor oil. So it will become a 2 ingredient eyeliner or mascara. And you can make customized one. Play from 1:1, 1:2, 1:3 ratios depending on what kind of texture you like, and apply it on a neat basis. This is just like a 5 mg container.
And I hope you can play around, but if it's not dark enough, you can add some more powder.
Yeah, I mean it hasn't kind of smudged yet, given that she's just applied oil on her face. And I've just applied the oil, the eyeliner on my eyes, and I just stained my eyebrow a little with that stain. I think I like the thickest one, which is the 1 part aloe vera, 1 part castor oil to 3 parts activated charcoal. I think that is something that was so easy to spread for myself. It really looks like a commercially bought eyeliner when I spread it over. I think that's also a good feel for mascara. I tried it to just do 1 coat. Next up in the series, we are going to do for you the lip stain. The lip stain that can double up as a blusher as well as an eyeshadow. I like to do a few 2-in-1s or 3-in-1.
I will catch up with you next time and send you another video. Bye.
Time for some bloopers.
Because I apply this castor oil and then I always put this here, and I put it in my eyebrows. Even you also can put it on your whole face or your whole neck, or you even can put it around the eyes. Hi, so I'm hoping that you will choose the tree, because I also choose the tree and I love the tree, and I also look nice on the tree, and I hope you made this. We are also going to catch up with you in the next video, so take care and do your own eyeliners, and I hope you enjoy us. See you.
So do subscribe so that you can catch us in more videos. Ta-ta!